As a bachelor, master or PhD student, you may have a fairly clear idea of what subjects and courses you'll take. But did you know that you have access to not just one, but to 5 universities? This is Eucor, the European campus. Thanks to Eucor, you can register for free courses at 5 universities. And this at any time during your studies. So what about that then? This is Lisa from Freiburg. Lisa has always been very organised. As a law student, she enrolled in the Master of her Dreams with integrated mobility. The first year in Strasbourg, the second year in Freiburg, and at the end of her studies, a joint degree. She's not only almost bilingual, but also a specialist in legal issues on both sides of the border. As for Theo, he's an undergraduate student in chemistry in Mulhouse. He's only just found out about Eucor, but it doesn't matter. For him, the best solution is a 1-semester mobility. His first semester in Mulhouse only lasts until January, so he has time to prepare to follow a second semester in Karlsruhe. 6 months in total immersion is exactly what Theo needed. In Basel, Andrea studies Nordic languages and literature. 6 months abroad are too much for her, but she finds it rather tempting to improve her language skills and take additional courses, and so she's off. Now, once a week, she's organised a short-term mobility, following 1 course in Freiburg and seminars or workshops in Strasbourg, and her ECTS credits are recognised at her home university. And then there's Samia, a PhD student working on an international joint degree between Strasbourg and Karlsruhe. Clémence, who takes part in the Eucor Festival, Stéphane, who participates in the Eucor bike tour, Carole, who gets help finding an internship on the other side of the border. You may be wondering, why follow a course on the other side of the border? But that's exactly Eucor's advantage. Improve another language, experience other ways of teaching, meet people, live another culture, and all this within 2 hours train ride from home. And think about your CV. A personalised study programme, international and intercultural experience, and maybe even a double or triple degree. With the almost unique opportunities of Eucor, why not increase your assets for the international job market? With all that to offer, are you still hesitating?